Be honest, you've taken a selfie, looked at it, and said, "Wait, when did my jawline go missing?" Don't worry, it's not just you. We've all had that puffy face moment where we start blaming bad lighting, camera angle, and maybe even genetics. But here's the truth, you can reduce face fat. Not overnight, but with the right habits, you'll slowly bring that jawline back to life. In this video, I will give you 4 solutions and 1 secret exercise which would actually help you lose face fat. Stay hydrated. One of the main reasons your face looks bloated isn't fat, it's water retention. Your body holds water when you don't drink enough of it. So yes, the fix is ironic. Drink more water to stop looking like a water balloon. Tip: drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water a day for best results. Secondly, fix your diet. You can't target fat loss from one area, but your face will slim down naturally when your overall body fat goes down. So clean up your diet. More fruits, veggies, and lean protein. Less junk. Replace your chips with nuts and lemon water. Third, get proper sleep. Sleep is your underrated beauty filter. When you don't sleep enough, your body retains water and increases stress hormones, making your face look puffy and tired. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Fourth, move more. Cardio is your best friend here. You don't need to go crazy, just move. Do walking, cycling, dancing, even cleaning your room counts. The goal? Burn calories consistently so your overall fat, including face fat, starts reducing. Alright, let's talk about the one move that actually helps tone your facial muscles, the cheek puff exercise. Here's how. Fill your mouth with air or water. Push it from one cheek to the other. Keep switching for 30 seconds. Do 3 rounds daily. It helps improve blood flow and strengthens facial muscles. Tip: do it while watching YouTube or brushing your teeth. So remember, there's no magic cream or secret trick. Drink water, eat clean, sleep well, stay active, and do that one simple exercise daily. Your jawline will thank you, and your selfies will too. If you like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more men's glow up videos.